I mean, this is Disney
It's a concrete
level stuff right here. Yeah, there he is. Look at how tall he is. Hey. But it's new brakes, it's new bearings, it's everything. So thank you, Dexter Axle. But no swimming, horrible riptides. Well, let's go take the, oh boy, my camera has 33% battery. Go!
Go!
Get away, little man. Watch out for the bicyclist.
Yep, here he comes. Well, this is great. Hello.
We're doing tomorrow, buddy.
All the way across.
You're going for a
So,
bike ride.
yeah, this is called the Discovery Trail, and it goes all the way from Ilwaco at the southern end of the Long Beach Peninsula all the way to the other end. So we can get on there and we can bike. It's only like, I don't know, 700 miles. I'm facetious. My family, when I was a kid, we used to come out here almost every summer around the 4th of July on the peninsula. We stayed up further north, but so it's really neat to be able to bring him during the same holiday time to the same place I used to come to as a kid. And her too.
I've never been.
She's never been.
We have different kinds of beaches in Maine.
You really splash a lot when you run. Some very pretty houses. So this is private property from the path back. 215 years ago.
What?
They were here.
Who?
1805, Lewis and Clark.
Oh, I was like, what are you talking about? Very cryptic with your words.
Hey, nice GoPro. So in this site, near this site, William and Clark saw the bones of what they thought is a gray whale. Yep.
Corbin, left. So we're going to continue this way. I don't know, I guess it's north, all the way to the Lewis and Clark carved tree, and then we can turn around there.
There are people riding horses over there. I am totally a squirrel right now.
Yeah, I'm trying to have a conversation. You're like,
I think the important thing here is that you love me.
okay, and what did I say?
We're gonna go to the Lewis and Clark tree.
Carved tree.
Lewis and Clark carved tree. So I took it out. I just didn't put carved. I didn't know they were here long enough to carve a tree. I didn't know they were into that sort of thing.
Well, we'll find out.
They have chainsaws?
Probably.
All right.
That would be fun to go down. On November 19th, 1805, Captain William Clark led a small party along this beach. This excursion was their first contact with the Pacific Ocean.
So as we've come to the end of our arduous journey from Seaview to Long Beach to whatever point we're at right now, I just can't help but be in awe of the fact that Captain Clark got here 215 years ago. Well, like 214 and a half years ago, right? Came all the way across the United States and ended up, he found a park bench, which, I mean, that's kind of signifies the end of the journey, right? Like, hey,
He took the time to whittle a tree out of driftwood.
this is concrete.
Oh, is it?
This is, yeah, so they were able to fashion concrete. So I don't know who his Native American guides were, but they were just amazing to be able to show him concrete and the craftsmanship. I mean, this is Disney
It's a concrete coating.
level stuff right here.
It's a concrete coating. The
Yeah.
tree itself is a concrete.
And I bet they were relieved to find relief in the outhouse along the way. Beautiful.
That actually.
Anyway, sorry, I'm a bit of a smart ass sometimes. So
That's not. It's not.
really, really cool bike path. Suzannah said this is your favorite since when?
Said Showa Park in Japan.
Showa Park in Japan. It was a park down from the base that we were stationed at that great for riding. You heard a lot of those bells at Showa Park too. Give it a ring.
Yeah,
But none of them had the cool design.
Goonies. I got this one specifically because the bike shop was in the town that the Goonies was filmed in.
Yep. He's a good kid. We're training him right.
Yep.
Now we gotta ride back.
And then
My
we
butt
also
already
saw
hurts.
a train really jogging, still faster than us.
So this isn't what 4th of July in Maine is like, right?
No, it's not. It's very different.
No, I actually want.
See, Corbin, you hear that? That's the Saturn missile silo. And that's the one when you set off, you have no idea where it's going to go. So imagine 20 miles of beach just covered with people and fireworks, and no fires this year, but just people. Fireworks, but no fires.
And no throwing, especially no throwing food on the ground. Okay, I guess I'll have those because I said.
Whoa!
That is awesome!
So this is the 4th of July on Long Beach Peninsula in Washington. I don't think there's very many places in the country that allow you to do 4th of July like this. And it goes the entire length of the beach. So if you see that landmass down there, that mountain, that's pretty much where the vehicles stop. And it goes all the way up that way too.
Oh yeah, when I was a kid we used to do
Spell our
that.
names. Spell what?
My name.
I already did. That was the first one I did. Is it Skipanon Marina?
Skipanon RV and Marine is where we're taking Tanny this morning.
Marine and RV Supply?
Yep. So it's a few days later than what we wanted, but it's finally happened. So our Dexter axles finally showed up, and we're taking Tanny and we're going to drop her off this morning, and she's going to get magic legs. Hopefully, fingers crossed, because they said that there was some damage to one of the axles, but they may be able to get some pieces off of the axles we have. So, but that's what we're doing today. We're going to drop her off, and then we're driving up to Seattle. We're picking up Matt.
Who's already on the plane. Yay!
Yeah.
Should be calling anytime.
And then we're going to drive back from Seattle, stay the night at Skipanon, because hotel rooms on a Friday night in this area are $240 a night, which is wow, even for some not so wows. And then we'll come back here to Thousand Trails tomorrow and start relaxing. Hopefully all the issues with Tandy are done for a while. Okay, so we made it to Skipanon RV, and they've got our axles. There's a little bit of damage, just the end caps, and they're gonna take them off of Tandy and put them on. Yep, those are her new.
Which one's broken?
It's so the end cap here got smashed, and this one actually lost the tip, and then
Same thing on that side.
same thing on this side. So it's opposite ends, but underneath those wheel caps, yeah, it's the same thing. So they should be able to pop them off. She said they don't need to be repacked, but it's new brakes, it's new bearings, it's everything. So thank you, Dexter Axle.
That might not be.
So we're gonna leave her for the day, and then we'll be back tonight, and she'll have new magic legs. She's like our little.
She can walk again
She can walk again.
without damaging her shoes.
She's our Forrest Gump.
Yeah.
Magic legs, Sergeant Hinton. Are you nervous?
No, not really.
Do you think he's like 8 feet tall now? No.
He's not gonna be 8 feet tall. He never will be.
You never know.
There's Matt.
There's Matt. It's Matt.
Finally.
Yeah. There he is. Look at how tall he is. Hey. It's Matt.
Wow, so tall.
Did you keep growing again? So we're back, and we pulled up, and I could just tell that her tires were actually straight. It means that it has a straight axle. 2 straight axles. Oh, you can tell. They're straight. I mean, they're bowed, but they're supposed to be. And then,
Oopsies.
yeah, don't touch those. They're covered in grease. So we asked them if we could have 2 of the new used leaf springs. So they left us 2. So we have backup leaf springs.
Our last one.
And then we also asked them, because I may have had a little issue when we were mooch docking at my buddy's house where I ripped off the antenna. And I was able to kind of stick it back on there, but we asked them if they could put it back on for us instead of me having to climb up on the roof. And look at that, we have a new King omnidirectional antenna up on the roof. I mean, that one we had to pay for, but it's so much easier than me having to do it. And they probably do it right.
Yeah, for sure. And then
So this is great. I'm excited. We got magic legs. All right, we'll get hooked up and then we'll go. Happy 4th of July, everybody.
Thank you for watching. We'd love to share our journey with you, so hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you know when a new video is uploaded. And don't forget to leave your comments down below and hit the like button.